My name is Mike Skurzak here from Bergey Truck Centers. Today we're going to go over our Isuzu NPR-HD. It's a 14.5 GVW. It's a gas engine. It's going to save you more money up front and give you less maintenance costs as well, because you don't have to worry about the DEF fluid on the empty tree. Added on, you have a 12-foot Spartan utility body. Plenty of storage in here. Heavy-duty hinges and handles. Doors are all spring-loaded to stay open. Adjustable shelving. This comes out flat for a nice sturdy workstation. Pull-out shelves. Again, everything is adjustable here for depending whatever tools or items you might need inside. If you find that this is being a little obtrusive and you want to get inside here, you can unhook these chains and that will fold flat. You have these nice rubber stops on here that will prevent it from doing any damage. And adjustable shelving all throughout. We have an FRP body, so it's going to be able to go from chassis to chassis for you. We have driver and curbside pipe access doors. In the interior, you have LED lighting throughout. You have your glass access doors for interior access to those bins. E-track, if you want to have anything lashed to the side, and again, adjustable shelving throughout the interior as well. Nice easy step bumper, and you also have the tow hook here. You can tow up to 6,000 pounds for if you have a trailer to go along behind it as well. And the exact same setup on the passenger side. But if you have any other questions on it, if you would like some more information, please give me a call. Again, my name is Mike Skurzak. You can reach me at 484-744-0137. Thanks.